So in today's video, we're going to explore one of the smallest neighborhoods in Toronto, which is called Baldwin Village. It only spans about like 2 to 3 blocks, not even, I think it's like 2. However, it is filled with a lot of activity, so let's go check out this cute little village. The former modestly sized homes on the street have been converted to restaurants and small shops, and there are a lot of different options. Considering how small this neighborhood really is, there is a lot to do and see here, surprisingly, in just 2 blocks. So let's go check it out. For sure, the best part of this neighborhood is going to be the restaurants and the cafes, with some of the best restaurants options actually in the city. This one right over here is a Thai kitchen that is a Michelin rated restaurant that a lot of people say is actually one of the best Thai restaurants in the city. It is open for lunch and dinner, but you will definitely need some reservations to eat there. So this is definitely a place to check out, especially for the food. I wanted you guys to also see what it looks like in the summer. As you can see, this place is really cute inside and outside. There is a patio outside, so you can eat outside and inside. So you definitely want to check this place out. But here are some other street restaurants that you should check out as well. So another thing about the neighborhood is going to be the shops. So not only will you find restaurants, but you're also going to find some different shops. Really, there's not too many, it's 2 blocks, guys, but this one in particular is a very popular spot. It is a vintage shop that is one of the most popular in the city. So you're going to find it here in this little neighborhood. Let's go check it out. This village is also very alive. They do street concerts and performances and do close down the streets certain times. So it isn't all the time, of course. This does happen during peak seasons, so it does come alive. So that's something also about this neighborhood that you might not know, that they do street events. Now we're going to get into the history of Baldwin Village. The street was laid out and named after William Warden Baldwin, who owned much of the area in the 19th century. The neighborhood developed in the early 20th century as the Jewish ghetto moved westward from its original location in the ward toward what's become the Kensington Market Jewish community. The strip became home to a number of Jewish stores and restaurants. As the Jewish community moved north from downtown, the area's proximity to Chinatown led it to the popular Chinese Canadians. Also close to the University of Toronto, surrounded by the area known as the Student Ghetto, it also became a center for the 1960s youth movement. Most notably, it was the central location for Drake Dodgers from the Vietnam War in Toronto. The Drake Dodgers converted a number of homes to shops, catering to the new community. And in 1978, the first cafe on the block opened, and since then, the area has become one of the best-known restaurant districts in Toronto. Mandel's at 29 Baldwin Street, the last remnant of the block's Jewish heritage, closed in 1995 after 90 years of operation, though the lettering on its window has been preserved by the Johnny's Italian Cafe. Unfortunately, Johnny's closed in 2014. An effort was installed to preserve the window. However, it was sold in 2015 to new owners who have changed it, and this is what it looks like today. So that is the history of Baldwin Village. Now, let's talk real estate. Unfortunately, there isn't much stats in this area, and there is no current listings on sale in this area right now. But what I can tell you is the average home is going to be about $1 million range, and the condo is just over $700,000. The average rent in this area, $2,500 a month. So compared to other neighborhoods in downtown Toronto, these prices are actually not that bad when you compare it to other neighborhoods in Toronto. So I would say that that's definitely going to be a plus of this neighborhood. we hope you enjoyed today's neighborhood tour video of Baldwin Village, one of the smallest, if not the smallest neighborhood in Toronto. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, click that like button, tap that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification. And if you're looking to move to Toronto or buy and sell, all of our information is in the description box down below. So hit us up. And if you want to see more videos like this, check out this one next. And until next time, guys, see you around the city and God bless.